that shit ride, Ty.
Yeah, nigga. Whole lot of free smoke shit. Freedom, baby, bitch. Yeah, nigga. Head young in the charge, nigga. They say a whole lot of smoke, baby, shit. My youngest just threw me a cutter, I caught me a 50, I went to spinning. Mention me up in your mentions, I fucking your sister, I'm fucking on women. Nigga, you knowin' I'm spinning, I keep a Glock with me, that bitch a whole 30, but fuck it, I'm spinning, I'm shooting like I'm Curry. Hey, little nigga, they coming in here. These bitches will make your vision blurry, you know I'm not with it, bitch. My mama, she saying, let's take and be careful, I gotta keep ratchets, a bitch, I be packing, can catch me in traffic, I never be late, and I'm pouring up lean. Me and Lil J, me and Lil T, we loaded, we full of that gas, but fuck it though, I fuck your bitch in her ass. Pump, nigga, I never pass. Hey, little nigga, you know I'm what's hound. Hold up, I caught that little bitch Meg. He just went through a pack. Fuck it, Jay just caught them a make. It came with 33. Scotty Pippen swerving down they street. I'm out to wonder what a semi. I'm a high spot with a cutter. Walk down on your brother. Fuck it, bitch, I'm a kitty and cheddar. Bitch, you knowin' this up. Y'all thuggin' together, y'all dying together. I walk through that water, clutching Berettas. I'm by whatever, take to that level. Fuck it though, nigga, I'm not a stepper. Bitch, I'm a soldier, gon' knock off your shoulders. I fuck on your bitch and the dick gon' fold her. Hold up, bitch, I know that they told you. Let's second, I'm colder, my heart got bipolar. Nigga, you know let's second, I'm better. Fuck it though, bitch, look at the devil. Nigga, you know let's second, the step of my grandma still stepping. She just wrote a letter. Bitch, I'm on a flight, trying to get my paper right. Late night, bitch, I'm on that block. Mookie, he just threw a Glock. And it came with 33, but I'm really swerving now. Hell yeah, mention me. In your case, you dying tonight. We hit they block, then take out they lights. Smoke babies, how about they taking your life? Pull up where you stay. Broad day with a cake looking around, put one in your face. Turn a nigga fade to a low cut. Hell yeah, boy, it's really old. Hell yeah, it's really old. Nigga saying he a scuff for better yet, nigga. I just got a dope, I just got a bag. I shot out of state. Fuck on your hoe and that little hoe she mad. That hoe said, cause I got a bag. Hey, little nigga, she all in my mission, but fuck it, I cannot taste a bag. I'm on my grind, I press the climb. These niggas, they green, just like a lime. No, bitch, I'm not slime, but I bet I'll wipe a nigga nose. When I catch him, I'ma leave his fucking body cold. And this baby Draco will leave your face, whoa. They found his body, but couldn't find his face, though. Yeah, nigga, you know, a whole lot of dumb shit. Freedom smoke babies, nigga. Yeah.
Say, Jay, you remember that hoe from the other day, son?
Man, which one?
Man, the whole time about she want me to pull up and smoke a whole zip with her, son.
Hey, let that shit ride, Ty.
Man, son, tell me why. Hold on, who that is?
Man, fuck all that, man. Go get the cake, cuz.
Big.
Go get the cake, man.
Big.
Fuck, you know what? Let me go on there and get it down, you hear me?
Yeah.
You know what it is?
Yeah. See, I'm the young devil that be slinging metal, supplying that tossing, ain't giving that pressure. Ain't got the gloss, so I got the Beretta, and when I use it, put his ass on the scratcher. Nigga try me, fuck on one, we go bless him. Hop out with stick, we gon' hit. Niggas, they wanna gon' be by the bitch. I told that bitch to go be about some money. And all of these niggas, they internet capping. Nigga try me, fuck around and get tragic. I can catch his ass lacking. Fuck around and I hit his ass up in the traffic. We pop and I get the blasting. Fuck around and we leave his ass up in the passings. All of they bitches, they nasty. I'ma fuck on that hoe and that bitch should be average. Knowing that I cannot love a hoe. She suck on my dick and I let her go. High in the clouds, damn, you need to go look, go get you a telescope. I'm feeling like C-Dot Huncho, cause you know I like it sound like a periscope. When I pull on your block, I'ma hop out with bloody believe I'ma shoot it, shit, let it go. Running your nigga trap house and I get all the dope and I tell her that this an invasion. I'ma pop me a top of a head Huncho gang, then I'ma go on vacation. Then leave little niggas that's up in the game, spooked and they'll go crazy. And to a point they'll get out the game just to go get to some savior. I don't really fuck with the judge, they locked up my dog, I'm feeling like damn, that bitch racist. I'ma fuck on the daughter and leave her alone, cause I'm trying to think this basic. Bitch, I do this pack, I get this shit federal. I get my shit in suitcases. And the nigga that's buying the trailer don't run off, he must want a nigga to face him. Some of these niggas start thinking like the bitches, and some of these bitches start acting like the niggas. These niggas let jump out the porch, lay down, they started create them a new image. Like that ain't your rug, get that to your boy, you tryna flex on the ground with it. These niggas ain't tryna act hard with a gun, like nigga, that ain't how you living. I hate when all these niggas, they say they go ride, but get out when you start the engine. If you ain't go ride in the first place, damn, like damn, why you even with me? I really don't get it when niggas be talking that cap and I ain't even with it. Hopping out with them Simmons, I keep them bitches took up on my motherfucking Bentley, bitch.